Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you subscribe. Today, I'm so excited. I've not been this excited for a video in a long time to give you the master bathroom reveal and tour of all the details up close and personal. This has been an absolute dream come true, and it never would have been possible had it not been for Brad. So just thank you so much for doing this renovation. It's beyond my wildest dreams. I'm so happy with it. I'm so thankful for you and all the hard work that you put into this. But okay, I cannot wait to show you all the details. So here is what the bathroom looked like before. And here is the bathroom after. Such a transformation, right? But yeah, just looking around in here, I'm like, wow, Brad, you worked so hard on this, and seriously, just everybody shout out Brad in the comments right now for how awesome he made this bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna show you more of the shower details. So here is the new and improved shower. We did hexagonal tile on the floor there with gray grout and the gold drain. And these boxes, we built them to be symmetrical because the other shower was raised up a lot higher than this. And upon demoing the shower, there was a piece of pipe right in the corner here that could not be moved, that sticks up from the floor. So we built the box there, and originally thinking like, okay, it's great to have something to like put your leg on and shave your legs. Well, this side, it doesn't really make sense to shave your legs because this is where the water's coming down on you. So you would put on shaving cream and instantly like it would rinse off your legs. So for symmetry, I'm like, it makes sense to have where you'd shave your leg over here on this side. And we just decided, again, it looks more symmetrical to have the two boxes there. So that's why there are those boxes. All of the hardware, this is by Delta. It's a champagne bronze colored set. I love that it has this hand sprayer. It makes it wonderful for when you're cleaning the shower, because marble showers are definitely like ones you have to stay on top of cleaning to keep them white. And I love then the body jets, and this is one of the rainfall shower heads, which is amazing. Then the subway marble tile, these are 12 inches by 3 inches. I know when I was looking on Pinterest, that was one of the things I was attracted to, this size tile and the look of it. It is a lot harder to lay though, because there's a lot more pieces than if you pick a larger size tile. And we used white colored grout so that it looked really clean. And this was another Pinterest inspired idea, this tile frame accent wall. I'd seen this done in a couple of showers that I really liked on Pinterest, and I could not find the tile that I really wanted for this. But the one day we went into Floor and Decor because we knew that they had these subway tiles there, and totally on a whim found this tile. I had a different tile picked out, and I was like, I love it, but I know that it's really complicated. Like, are we going to be able to do this? Because just think, all of those little tiles require like cuts to build this out. It's a very time consuming tile, and it was one of those things where Brad was like, if you want to make this happen, I want you to have your dream shower. So made it happen, and I love it so much. Again, it's more than I even dreamed that this accent wall would be, but it definitely is complex tile to do it. It took a lot more time. Then this niche we put in here for, your shampoos and your body wash and razor and face wash, all of those kind of things. And the big difference then that I love about this shower now is there used to be in the old bathroom a wall here. So the glass was just on the front of the shower. But it was Brad's idea to take that wall down, and we had then a glass company install new glass doors here, and I love that they were able to do gold hardware too to match what's going on with the shower hardware. And we paid, if you're getting any kind of new glass done on a shower like this, we paid, there was an extra $200 or $300 fee for the glass to have this special thing in it where it won't get foggy, and if it ever does get foggy, there's a lifetime warranty on it. So I had to register for that, but just in case, you know, you're redoing your shower, it might be, you know, worth that extra couple $100 so that your glass shower is basically going to last you a lifetime. But okay, we will move now to the sink wall over here. These were 3 separate pieces that Brad bought. We bought them in the white. They did have them in another wood color because we were going back and forth on what color would look best here. And sort of last minute, I made a different decision. He actually had bought the wood ones and we were going to stain them. And then I saw a picture and I'm like, I think I want white. I just think like white is what I'm going to want at the end of the day. So he built this vanity. These are like 3-inch spacers here. So one of the things we discovered in this process, that if you're doing a DIY bathroom in your home, just something to consider. These are actually kitchen cabinet units. For whatever reason, bathroom vanities or bathroom cupboards, when you're buying them, they have the prices so jacked up, even though it's nearly the same as kitchen. The only difference is these are slightly higher. I believe they were 2 inches higher than the bathroom vanities, which for me, I was like, that's fine. And they're slightly deeper. I think it's like another like 3 inches like further out from the wall than a bathroom vanity. So what's crazy is you're paying less for something that's actually bigger and has more storage space. I have not organized these at all. Probably will do that in upcoming like cleaning and organizing video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys this now that it's done. But I feel like this was such a great way to save money from a DIY and just expense perspective because they look great. We got the gold, you know, hardware on them. These, you know, don't work because this is where the sink is, but then different drawers all have this, and I feel like it saved us so much money. Another way that we saved a ton of money is this is not like a piece of marble or granite. Brad DIY built these. I helped him a little bit, but he built this entire countertop out of boards, and then there was a kit we got that you mix all these different colors and like sparkles together. It was actually really fun, and we poured this out. It took a while to dry, and then he sanded it down because I wanted it to have a little bit more of like a matte look. It still is relatively shiny. You can like see the reflection, but it was super glossy, like really high gloss. And I was like, I want it to be not as glossy as that. It was just kind of fun. I feel like to do a DIY like this, again, it was $350 as opposed to a couple $1,000 is probably what it would have cost me for this size piece of granite or marble in here. These mirrors then, I got those on Amazon. Same thing with the pendant lights. And I was trying to sort of mix textures then in here, going from white to a wood to gold. And this backsplash here then, we found this tile at Lowe's. And this is then a framing piece that we put there. So it just had a nice, you know, finished backsplash to it. And I love, he put in outlets here. The outlet here actually has where you could charge your iPhone in it too. I love that. And another outlet there. And then there's actually outlets, again, it's not organized under here, guys. But there's an outlet under each of the sinks. So I can put, you know, my toothbrush under here. And I also have a fridge I haven't put in here yet. It's a little mini fridge for my spa products basically, so that they stay nice and cool. And I love that feature that he put the outlet under each of the sinks so there can be less clutter up here for some of the stuff. And these faucets and handles are also part of that same Delta collection then that's in the shower. And these are Kohler sinks, and we were talking about just like the different styles, and Brad was like, I feel like it's becoming really trendy to have it be like above the vanity. And I'm so glad we went with that look. I feel like it does make it look just chicer and so much more modern in here. I just love it. The floors were from Floor & Decor as well. They're the waterproof vinyl laminate floors. And I will put in the description box, I promise, and I'll try to put on the screen too when I edit, the make and the color of these floors in case you're interested. And that was a hamper that I've had for a long time. I got at JCPenney. And this is the new soaking tub. I just love it so much. Have the chandelier above it there, the beaded chandelier. That was from Amazon, as well as this one up there is also from Amazon. I love both of those. And you know, I have my TV there. One of the outstanding projects, again, it's like almost finished. We're just waiting for it to come in. For whatever reason, our Home Depot and Lowe's here, all in the area, we're completely sold out. Once we get that box, it can go behind the TV and you'll just see the TV wall mounted there with none of the wires hanging down. Then this trash can, I just picked it up at Target. I thought it sort of fit in nicely to the theme of the bathroom. And these mats, I've had for a long time. I got them at JCPenney and probably just gonna keep them. I mean, they're looking a little worn, so at some place I'll probably replace them, but you know, you just basically bleach them and they get clean again. But I got that green plant from Target. I also got that towel rack from Target as well. And the bath, I don't know, what do we call this? The wooden tray, like the bath tray is from Target. So is the stool. And just sort of, I feel like ties in with the whole vibe of it being a little bit beachy, chic. But what I'm waiting on, I did get a custom canvas made. I'm gonna insert it on the screen here because I think I can give you guys the effect of what it's going to look like. But took that picture at my favorite place in Hawaii. If, you know, if the kids one day go to spread my ashes, that's where I've requested for my ashes to be spread, because it's just the happiest place I've ever been to, or like when I've been there, I felt the most at peace. But you guys know, if you know, followed during the time when we were living there, that was just my happy place. That's where I would go with my book and read when I needed quiet time. I would take my cheesy gordita crunch and sit on the beach and eat it just to sort of like chill out, have some me time. And I love taking the kids there. It was just so beautiful. I feel like I just have such good memories and such a feeling of peace and happiness there. So that's why I wanted to take the photo that Molly, because she visited, which is just so special too. Like, she's captured the kids and just so many things in my life since, you know, basically I started working with her maybe like 3 years into doing YouTube, and it's going on 8 years now. So like the last 5 years, I feel like she's just been a part of so many incredible moments, between like bringing Hayden home from the hospital and any sort of life changes. And yeah, so the fact that it's like a piece of artwork that's from her too is like just such like a dear friend and such like an important person in so many moments of life. I feel like it just is really cool too. But I love that place, and I feel like I love this place in my home here. So it's just cool to sort of connect it all together and like bring it full circle of the feeling of like peace and love and happiness and self-care and me time to like, once it's on the wall, I feel like it's gonna just completely elevate the space in here. But then this tub, I will also list where it's from. I know we got an amazing deal on it though. A lot of the tubs I was looking at were upwards of $3,000, and this one was under $1,000. So if you're looking for a freestanding soaking tub, I love this one. Honestly, it's huge. Like, me and all the kids have all gotten into it. It's enormous. I did put a little neck pillow on it though, because I like to lean back when I'm in the tub. And I also found then this gold faucet. I should actually say Brad found it, but you know, he's just like, does this work? But the gold faucet with, I love this too, because my old tub did not have this. The handle is game changing just for cleaning the tub. Like, it's amazing. So I'm really happy that we found one that had that feature. So just something, again, to consider if you're thinking about doing a bathroom renovation. And let's see, last things over here, I guess to decorate, I'll show you. Obviously, I have my Osea products here. I found this little tray though in the Target dollar spot and thought it was so cute. Got a little green plant as well, and this little woven basket I thought was cute. My girlfriends over at Sweet Hometown Co sent me this candle, and it smells absolutely amazing. So it's like a very spa mood in here. And the only other things, this is what I wanted to say too, I got 2 other pictures of the kids. I'll kind of show you what I'm thinking, like where they'll go here. Then I also got, this is like a bath hook. It's just gold. And I'm thinking of maybe getting 2 to hang underneath then for the hand towels to hang, because before I used to have like a little stand-up thing that the towels would hang on, but I think I'm gonna put those there, and I wanna get a like close-up makeup mirror for on that wall as well. So still have, you know, a couple of projects in here to just kind of tie everything together, but it's nearly complete at this point. I had to like show you guys because I was so excited. And then the last thing, we'll go turn on the light in here into the bathroom, or the toilet room, I should say. Have another light in here also from Amazon with that beading on it to sort of tie everything together. This I did not style whatsoever. It's just completely for function at this point. But this shelf was from Target, and I just love that. I think all of this though, I wanna either get some kind of maybe basket for on top of here, and I'm thinking, I really like how this door opens all the way. It used to not, because I used to have another like standing shelf here that all of that stuff went on, but I like how the door can fully open. It just is way more functional. So I might just try to find something skinny and tall right there to sort of put all the supplies in. And then I also want to get something that ties in more with the new look in here at some point. Again, it's just for function at this point, but that is sort of what I've done in here. If you have any ideas, maybe like something green, or I don't know, I was thinking putting green on the shelf too. I feel like it definitely needs some greenery in here. Maybe something on this wall too to make it pretty, but let me know your suggestions for in that room. And I just realized I've gone this entire time and I never said the wall color. So the wall color in here, it is Behr's color of the year. It is called Blank Canvas, and I love it. It's such a nice neutral color. I feel like it looks really clean. It goes with everything so well. I'm debating using it for down in the family room and the foyer area, because I wanted to lighten and brighten up those spaces, because the color down there right now is called Perfect Grayish, but I love this blank canvas. It's just, I feel like it's a great color if you're just looking for something neutral and white toned. But if you love the new bathroom, click that thumbs up for me. I wish I could click it 100 times. I'm so grateful to Brad for all the work he put into this. I mean, he really did just make this the bathroom of my dreams, and he worked so hard on this, and I'm so beyond grateful for you. You have no idea, Bradley. But again, thanks for watching this video, and have your notifications turned on because there's more videos coming soon. Bye, loves.